What's up guys, welcome back to Healthy Recipe. Today we're going to be making the Beyond Meat Burger. I'm going to make it buffalo. We're going to put some Frank's Red Hot and we're going to use a little Dijon mustard. Going to try to see if we can get it as low fat as possible. There's already a lot of fat in the burger, so we're going to try and strain some of that out and make a beautiful, delicious burger. So let's get right to work. Alright, so here is what we're using to make this burger. I got here some buns that were on sale at Publix, buy one get one free, and actually the Beyond Meat Burgers were also buy one get one free at Publix. Normally we eat whole food plant-based 95% of the time, but once in a while when they have a sale like this we just can't resist. So I figure I'd give you guys a little cooking video and also my take on this burger buffalo style. I'm using some organic ketchup. This is my Frank's Red Hot, and I really do put this on everything. That's why I have it in a square bottle now. So I love this stuff. This is just the regular, not their buffalo. This is a little hotter, but it's absolutely delicious. I have some shredded romaine lettuce, couple of slices of tomato and some red onion, and some Dijon mustard for flavor. That's basically it. We're gonna pan fry these burgers and try to extract as much grease as we can because these have a lot of fat in them. So here we have the two burgers. We let them thaw out in the fridge first. I'm gonna go ahead and preheat my pan. I put it at 250 degrees Fahrenheit. And basically I'm just gonna let these kind of start cooking on the bottom so they don't get stuck and they create their own little caramelization on the bottom of it, and that way it'll be easier to turn. We're gonna try to extract as much grease as we can by pushing them down and, you know, throwing some of that grease out and see if at least we can bring down the fat content. So while the burger's cooking, to kind of speed things up a little bit and get ahead, we're gonna go ahead and dress these. And I love Dijon mustard, it's like my jam. So I'm gonna put it on both the bottom and the top. It's just a little squirt, it's got a lot of flavor. Alright, just put a little bit of there. And I'm gonna go ahead, add just a little bit of ketchup here on the top. Just a little bit, then I'll put some more on top of the burger later. I want these to be juicy. Right. Looks like peanut butter and jelly there. Alright, so that's a bottom. This is a top. So these are two tops. Ketchup here. That's what we'll do it now. And put a little bit of lettuce. Tomato. And onion. Just don't go on a date after you eat these. Alright, so we're pretty good there. And then when the burgers are done, we're going to add the buffalo sauce and put them on and give them a taste. Alright, so as you guys can see, we got a good amount of grease pooling around these burgers. When you get them to this point, they're easy to flip. Nothing left because the grease kind of helps them separate. If you try to flip them early, you'll leave a piece of the burger stuck to the pan a lot of times. So there we go. Now we got some really nice caramelization. Look how nice that looks right there. I mean, that looks like a real burger. Smells really good. And we're getting a lot of this grease out. And what I'll do is I'll actually take this fat and just strain it out. So we're not getting the full 18 grams of fat per burger because we're leaving a lot of it in the pan. We can probably get 9 grams of fat per burger if we keep squeezing it out. Not getting the full amount. Put a lid on it, let it cook a little more, and then we'll go ahead and serve them. Alright, so I'm going to give these one last squeeze, get some of that grease out. And we got a lot of grease left on the pan, which will not be going into our belly. And look how beautiful that looks. It's perfectly golden. I mean, that's really, really pretty. Very caramelized. Ready to serve. Go ahead. Put this on the bun. Looks amazing. Ooh, it's making me hungry. There we go. I mean, that's a beautiful looking burger. I think we paid $6 for 2 packs. So it makes these at about $1.50. A lot better than going to Burger King and having an Impossible Burger, which really they're cooking in a lot of times in a flat top that cooks meat, so it's not really technically vegan. So this is really nice. You're supporting a company that's, you know, vegan and a lot cheaper. And I really like these burgers better than the Impossible. So I'm gonna take my Frank's Red Hot and put on top there. And now we got a buffalo burger. It's gonna be spicy. You guys know I love my spice. So if you wanted to go really a lot hotter, you can add, you know, your own brand of chili sauce, but I just want it to be like a buffalo style hot sauce. This Frank's got that vinegar zing going on that I really like, and with the Dijon mustard, it's got kind of like the same type of deal. I think that this will be very flavorful. So there is my recipe and my take on the Beyond Meat burger. I hope you guys enjoyed the video and give this way of cooking it a try. Remember to give us a thumbs up if you liked it. Subscribe if you haven't already. And I'll see you really soon on the next one. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and dig right in and give this a try. Let you guys know how this burger comes out. Wow. Wow. First of all, it's nice and juicy. I get that nice zing from the Frank's Red Hot and the Dijon mustard. Really tasty. The onion is fresh. The tomato in there. The lettuce adds like a nice dimension of freshness. The burger cooked just right. It's really soft, really delicious. If you guys want to try Beyond Meat, give this recipe a try.